Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRTC. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did do this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And a very nice start to the week here. So some updates need to be done. First, going to do is a little house cleaning. Going to go ahead and get rid of that line there. Yes, it still pertains to the chart, but in the spirit of not having a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. The next update comes from just a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the video on Friday, hopefully you remember me talking about 50 cents as a level of resistance. But like I said, now that the price is above it, 50 cents has gone from red to green, and this would be the level where, if the price can stay up above there, that's definitely going to make the chart look the healthiest going forward. Because, when you stop and think about it, the last thing you want to see the price do is go back to where it was, right? And where was it? Well, it was down in this range. Down in this range being defined as below 50 cents. So sure, the price could actually pull back here and then bounce around and then head back up. But even with that pullback, you'd still have a set of lows right there, which is higher than that set, which is higher than this set. And then if you picture these as stair steps, obviously the stairs would still be going in the upward direction. So 50 cents is definitely that ideal level of support. In the event the 50 cent mark cannot hold as support, then definitely keep an eye on that purple line right there. That is the 50-period simple moving average. And now that the price is back up above it, that's certainly a level where you want to see the price stay up above it. Now for the fun stuff, where are some of these next potential battlegrounds at? So let's talk some areas of resistance. There's sort of two key levels of resistance. We have more of a shorter term one and then the overall one. So the shorter term one right here at 53 cents, you can see back here through the history of the chart a whole bunch of times during this little consolidation. Price, it broke above it, but could never get any true breaks. A true break being not only breaking above a certain price level, but then having the price being able to maintain and stay above that break. So you can just see here a lot of price congestion. So that'll be the initial area of resistance, like I said, short-term one. And then more so the overall one right up here at the 56 cent mark. So 53 cents, 56 cents, two key levels of resistance, but no doubt about it, very nice way to start off the week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.